Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to write code with ChatGPT. So first you need to tap your browser and then enter chat.openai.com. Then log into your account, and then after that you can write a code, or you can type write a C++ example method on how to add two integers. Then tap enter, and you can see now how GPT will make you a different types of code about adding two integers. So that's how to write code with ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.